How to transfer money from Forex card to US bank account. Forex cards are designed for spending while traveling and may not allow direct transfers to bank accounts. However, here are some general steps you might follow. Contact your Forex card issuer and confirm if they allow transfers from the Forex card to a bank account. If direct transfers are not allowed, you may be able to withdraw cash from an ATM using your Forex card. Then, you can deposit the cash into your US bank account at a bank branch or via an ATM. Some Forex cards come with online services that may allow for transfers between accounts. If this feature is available, then log in to your Forex card account. Find the option for money transfer or withdraw funds. Add your US bank account details. Follow the instructions for completing the transfer. Lastly, if the card issuer doesn't allow a direct transfer, you can consider using third-party services such as Western Union, TransferWise, or PayPal to transfer funds. Thanks for watching.